Guys, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to walk you through our 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX. We're going to start in the cockpit, but first let's talk about this awesome sun pad back here. As you can see, this is the stone color interior. Lighter gray on a darker gray. Alright. Well, first we can access the engine compartment this way, but you can also get through it inside. This is a 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower Merc Cruiser. What I was trying to show you was a little articulation here in the leg. Same thing on that side with our our two cup holders right here, and an awesome little spot there for your cell phone and a 12-volt receptacle. Making our way in, again, you can see the beautiful stone interior with the gray flooring, infinity woven flooring. You're gonna have a white sports tower. Black canvas, also match the bow and cockpit canvas. The hull color of this boat is black with a white bottom. And again, we can also show you maybe a little bit better shot of the engine this way. You can see all your stuff down there, your bilge. Clean, everything's nice where it needs to be. All right, in continuation with the cockpit, we can fold our captain seat here forward and the companion seat forward here as well. Again, just giving you more space throughout the boat. And I'll also show you, we also have bolsters on both sides, which is a nice little feature. On our port side, our head compartment with sink. At the helm, super comfortable leather-bound wheel, our SIMRAD display, obviously our throttles, all of our switching here, and our Fusion stereo remote, and even more USB ports and 12-volt ports. So your phone's never going to die. Up in the bow, ton of room up here, speakers everywhere, more cup holders, awesome little grab handles here again, so if it's a little bumpy out. Armrest too. It's just a really, really comfortable boat. And then up here in the bow, oops, really cool beach ladder there. So if you're shoaled up, easy on and off in the boat here. With a little sprayer there as well, so if your feet are a little bit sandy. Same thing in the back, you have another sprayer. All right, guys, again, 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX here in Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.